Most people don't realize it, but poverty doesn't start in your wallet. It starts in your mindset. Every day, millions of people work hard, save a little, maybe invest some, and still stay broke. Not because they don't care, not because they don't try, but because they unknowingly make the same 10 money mistakes that quietly sabotage their financial growth. And the scariest part, you might be making them right now, without even realizing it. Stay with me till the end, because once you understand these, you'll never look at money the same way again. In fact, mistake number 9 is so common that even financial gurus fall for it, and it can cost you years of lost wealth. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, thinking more income will fix everything. You tell yourself, if I just make more money, I'll finally be okay. But here's the truth. More income doesn't automatically mean more wealth. If your mindset stays the same, higher income just means higher expenses. That's why lottery winners go broke. You don't need a raise if you're just going to upgrade from Starbucks to artisan oat milk lattes with Himalayan foam. Focus on increasing the gap between what you earn and what you keep, not just the size of your paycheck, because the next mistake kills that gap faster than anything else. Mistake number 2, lifestyle creep. You start earning more, and suddenly you deserve better things. New phone, better apartment, fancy dinners, all justified by, I worked hard for this. But lifestyle creep is a financial trap dressed as self-care. Each upgrade locks you into new fixed costs. And before you know it, you're on a treadmill, running harder just to stay in the same place. You're not building wealth, you're building obligations. If your income doubled tomorrow, would your savings double too? If not, that's your red flag. And speaking of red flags, this next mistake might be the most invisible one of all. Mistake number 3, not tracking where your money goes. You can't improve what you don't measure. But most people treat their bank balance like a surprise box. They open it and hope there's something left. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about control. Wealthy people know their numbers like athletes know their stats. They track every dollar because they understand. Clarity creates confidence. Your money shouldn't be playing hide and seek with you. And while tracking gives you control, the next mistake quietly takes it away. Every single month. Mistake number 4, debt dependency. Especially good debt. We've been taught that some debts are good. But here's the reality. Debt, no matter how strategic, still trades your future freedom for today's comfort. Debt is a silent thief. It steals not just your money, but your peace of mind. If you use credit as a tool, fine. But if you rely on it as a lifeline, you're in quicksand. Ever notice how your minimum payment sounds like a favor, but feels like a lifetime sentence? And that debt trap leads directly into the next financial pitfall. Mistake number 5, ignoring the power of investing early. Every year you wait to invest, you lose not just time, but exponential growth. At 25, every dollar you invest could turn into $10 or more by retirement. At 35, that same dollar might only grow to $4. Time is your greatest wealth-building tool, and it's the only one you can't buy back. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to get rich. But even those who do invest often fall for the next silent killer. Mistake number 6, chasing quick gains. The internet is full of people promising overnight wealth. Crypto, meme stocks, options trading. The faster it promises to make you rich, the faster it can make you broke. Greed blinds you. The market doesn't reward emotion, it punishes it. Real wealth is built quietly, consistently, and over time. If it sounds like a shortcut, it's probably a detour to disappointment. And that's exactly why the next mistake is so deadly, because it's disguised as security. Mistake number 7, keeping all your money in cash. You might think holding cash is safe, but in reality, it's the slowest way to lose money. Inflation silently eats away your purchasing power. Every year, your cash buys less. Cash is for emergencies, not for long-term wealth. Your money should be working, not waiting. Your dollars shouldn't be doing yoga. They should be lifting weights. But even with investing handled, there's one thing no one talks about, And it's the difference between being rich and staying rich. Mistake number 8, ignoring financial literacy. You can't manage money you don't understand. Most people spend 12 years learning algebra, but never learn how interest works. Financial ignorance isn't your fault, but it is your responsibility to fix it. Start small. Read, listen, learn. The more you understand, the less you'll be manipulated. Because let's be real, you can't TikTok your way to financial freedom. And speaking of manipulation, that brings us to mistake number 9, the one even gurus get wrong. Mistake number 9, confusing busyness with progress. We glorify the grind, but working harder isn't the same as working smarter. If your effort isn't building assets, it's just busy work. Wealth comes from leverage, using your time, skills, and money efficiently. Don't confuse motion with momentum. Ever met someone who's always working but never moving forward? Don't be that person. And that leads us to the final, most dangerous mistake of all. Mistake number 10, believing wealth is about luck. It's tempting to think rich people got lucky. But luck favors the prepared, not the passive. Wealth is built, not wished for. It's the result of daily discipline, not one lucky break. The moment you believe you have no control, you've already lost the game. You don't need luck. You need a plan and the courage to follow it. Because in the end, money doesn't change who you are. It reveals who you've become. You've just learned the 10 financial mistakes that keep most people trapped. But awareness is only the first step. The real question is, what will you do differently? Will you track your money, invest early, stop chasing shortcuts and start playing the long game? Because wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about freedom, peace, and choice. Every wise decision you make today echoes into your future. So, start now. Break the cycle. Build the life you deserve. One decision at a time. If this video helped you see money differently, don't stop here. Subscribe for weekly videos that teach you how to build wealth the smart way. And remember, the difference between rich and poor isn't opportunity, it's awareness.